PCEX Member and bring our feature of Wallet Explorer, which will help you to track your transactions. Let's see how it works. Firstly, visit our website, www.pcexmember.in, where you log into your registered account. On our market page, you can find the option of funds here. On the upper right corner, you can either check crypto deposit or crypto withdraw. Let's check with crypto deposit, where you can find your recent transactions. If you want to find the details of your recent transaction, such as let's go for this ETH, which is Ethereum, you can simply click on the transaction ID, or you can just copy-paste the transaction ID here on our Explorer. Once you search the details of the particular ID, you will get all the details about the specific transaction, such as the name, symbol, status, taxation fee paid. And even you can find the sender's and the receiver's address. Not just that, you can also track the details of the past transactions too. For that, you need to copy the address, like let's copy the address of the sender to track the recent transactions in the particular coin, and just paste here. Now you can find all the transactions from the particular wallet, and also the details such as block, transaction ID, amount, time, and the status. Isn't it cool? For more information, visit our website www.pcexmember.in, or you can follow us at our social media handles. Also, you can download our PCEX Member app at Play Store.